may nagtatanong, si Ma'am Lady, do you have your own system? At si Sir Mar, how much and do you have your own system? Okay, sagutin po natin yan. Yes po, meron po tayong sariling system specifically designed sa operation ni Print Saver para ma-monitor po ninyo yung lahat ng services, sales, items, or supplies na naibenta. Ultimo yung bond papers per peraso na ginamit sa print or Xerox ay monitored ng branch owner through daily report. Actually, meron po tayong app. Nandito na po lahat ng kailangan ninyo sa operation as a business owner. So you can manage your business conveniently. Pakita ko po sa inyo. Ayan po yung app. As you can see, nandito na po lahat. Dito po muna tayo sa POS. Log in, then confirm your branch. Your staff name, kung sinong duty. Ayan. You can see the types ng paper, kung anong service, and kung may bumili ng school supplies, even the total bill and sukle. And pwede din sa mobile phone. I hope nasagot ko po na maayos yung question nyo. Godspeed po.